Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest with Robinhood, quick tutorial step by step clearly. First, download the Robinhood app from your device's app store. Once the app is installed, open it to begin the registration process. Create an account by providing your email address and a password of your choice. Next, verify your email to confirm your account. After verification, log into the app using your new credentials. You will then be prompted to enter some personal information for identity verification purposes. This includes your name, address, date of birth, and social security number. Once you've provided this information, Robinhood will process your application. This may take a few minutes, so be patient. Upon approval, you can link your bank account for funding. Select Banking from the menu and follow the prompts to add your bank account details. To fund your account, choose how much money you'd like to transfer. Tap Transfer and wait for the funds to reflect in your Robinhood account. Once your account is funded, navigate to the search bar to find stocks or ETFs you wish to buy. Explore the available options by entering their names or ticker symbols. When you find a stock you like, tap on it to view more details. Hit the Buy button to proceed with your investment. Enter the amount you wish to invest or the number of shares. Review the order details carefully before confirming your purchase. After confirmation, you will receive a notification that your order has been executed. Monitor your investments by checking the Portfolio tab regularly. To sell a stock, simply select it from your portfolio and hit the Sell button. Enter the amount you wish to sell and confirm the transaction. That's how you can start investing with Robinhood. Enjoy your trading experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.